Stop planting bamboo. It's not always the fastest solution you think it is. Most people choose bamboo because of its rapid growth, but what if I told you there are plants that can grow just as fast or even faster without becoming invasive or hard to control? Bamboo can spread aggressively, take over your garden, and turn into a long-term problem. But today, you're going to discover smarter, safer, and equally fast-growing alternatives. Imagine building a lush, dense green fence in just a few months without worrying about uncontrollable spreading. In this video, we'll explore some incredible plants that grow faster than bamboo, are easy to maintain, and can completely transform your outdoor space. Let's dive in. Leeland Cypress. If speed is what you want, Leeland Cypress is one of the fastest-growing trees you can plant. It can grow up to 3 to 5 feet per year, quickly forming a tall and dense privacy screen. Its soft, feathery foliage creates a beautiful evergreen wall that stays green all year long. Unlike bamboo, it grows upward in a controlled shape, making it easy to manage. It's perfect for large gardens where you want instant privacy. With minimal maintenance and occasional trimming, this plant can transform your space into a private green paradise in just a few seasons. Green Giant Arborvita. Green Giant Arborvita is famous for its rapid growth and strong structure. Growing up to 3 feet per year, it forms a thick, natural wall that blocks noise and unwanted views. It's also highly resistant to pests and diseases, making it a low-maintenance option. This plant stays green year-round and doesn't spread uncontrollably like bamboo. If you're looking for a reliable, fast-growing privacy fence that lasts for years, this is one of the best choices you can make. Privet hedge. Privet is one of the quickest ways to create a dense hedge. It grows rapidly and fills in gaps beautifully, giving you a thick green fence in no time. One of its biggest advantages is how easily it can be shaped. Whether you want a formal hedge or a natural look, Privet adapts perfectly. It's also very hardy and grows well in different conditions. Unlike bamboo, it stays exactly where you plant it, making it a safe and practical option for any garden. Clumping bamboo. Yes, not all bamboo is bad. Clumping bamboo is a non-invasive variety that grows in tight clusters instead of spreading wildly. It still grows very fast and gives you that tropical look without the risk. This makes it a great alternative for people who love bamboo's appearance but want something easier to control. With proper care, it can create a beautiful and dense green fence quickly. Cherry laurel. Cherry laurel is one of the best fast-growing plants if you want a thick, lush green fence in a short time. It can grow up to 2 to 3 feet per year, quickly forming a dense wall of glossy, dark green leaves that provide excellent privacy. One of its biggest strengths is its adaptability. It grows well in both full sun and partial shade, making it perfect for different garden conditions. Unlike bamboo, cherry laurel doesn't spread uncontrollably, so you won't have to worry about it invading nearby areas. It's also highly durable and can tolerate pollution, wind, and even poor soil, which makes it ideal for urban environments. With minimal maintenance and occasional trimming, it keeps its shape beautifully and looks neat all year round. If you're looking for a strong, reliable, and elegant green fence that grows fast without creating problems, cherry laurel is definitely a top choice for your garden. Fatinia Red Tip. Fatinia, especially the red tip variety, is a fast-growing hedge that adds both privacy and color to your garden. It grows quickly, often up to 2 feet per year, and its most striking feature is its bright red new leaves that gradually turn green as they mature. This creates a beautiful contrast that makes your hedge stand out from ordinary green fences. Over time, Fatinia forms a thick and dense barrier that effectively blocks views while enhancing your garden's visual appeal. It's relatively easy to maintain and responds well to pruning, allowing you to shape it exactly how you want. Fatinia also adapts well to different soil types and climates, making it a versatile option for many gardeners. Unlike bamboo, it stays controlled and manageable, so you won't face any invasive issues. If you want a fast-growing fence that's both functional and decorative, Fatinia is an excellent choice. Thuja Arborvita. Thuja commonly known as Arborvita, is a classic and highly reliable plant for creating fast-growing green fences. It grows steadily, typically around 2 to 3 feet per year, forming a dense and upright wall of soft, evergreen foliage. This makes it perfect for creating a neat, structured privacy screen that looks clean and professional. One of the biggest advantages of Thuja is that it stays green all year round, providing constant privacy in every season. It's also very easy to maintain, requiring only occasional trimming to keep its shape. Unlike bamboo, Thuja grows in a controlled and predictable way, so you won't have to deal with unwanted spreading. It's also resistant to many pests and diseases, making it a low-maintenance option for busy gardeners. Whether you have a small garden or a large yard, Thuja is a safe and effective choice for building a long-lasting natural fence. Escalonia. Escalonia is a fast-growing shrub that combines beauty and functionality in one plant. It grows quickly and develops into a dense hedge that provides good privacy while also adding a decorative touch to your garden. What makes Escalonia special is its ability to produce small, attractive flowers in shades of pink, red, or white, giving your green fence a vibrant and lively look. It thrives best in sunny locations and can even tolerate coastal conditions, including wind and salty air. This makes it a great option for a variety of environments. Escalonia is also relatively low maintenance and only needs occasional pruning to keep it in shape. Unlike bamboo, it grows in a controlled manner and won't take over your garden. If you're looking for a plant that grows fast, looks beautiful, and adds a bit of color along with privacy, Escalonia is definitely worth considering. Pyroantha, or firethorn. Pyroantha, also known as firethorn, is a fast-growing plant that offers both privacy and security. It grows quickly into a thick, dense hedge, and its thorny branches make it an excellent natural barrier against intruders or unwanted animals. In addition to its protective qualities, Pyroantha produces bright, colorful berries in shades of red, orange, or yellow, adding seasonal interest to your garden. It's a very hardy plant that can tolerate drought, poor soil, and tough weather conditions, making it easy to grow even for beginners. With proper support, it can also be trained along fences or walls to create a structured green screen. Unlike bamboo, it doesn't spread aggressively, so it remains manageable. If you want a fast-growing fence that not only looks good, but also adds an extra layer of protection, Pyroantha is a smart and practical choice. Wax myrtle. Wax myrtle is a fast-growing shrub that creates a soft, natural-looking green fence in a short time. It can grow several feet per year, forming a dense yet slightly airy hedge that works well for informal garden styles. One of its unique features is its pleasant fragrance, which adds a refreshing touch to your outdoor space. It also attracts birds and beneficial wildlife, making your garden feel more alive and vibrant. Wax myrtle is highly adaptable and can grow in different soil types, including sandy and poor soils. It's also relatively drought-tolerant once established, which means less watering and maintenance for you. Unlike bamboo, it grows in a controlled way and won't spread uncontrollably. With occasional trimming, you can shape it into a beautiful natural fence. If you want a fast-growing, low-maintenance plant with a soft and organic look, wax myrtle is a great option.